Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot determine the settings for this device code 34, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable power management. Now what does it mean? Search for device manager in the and click on device manager to open the device manager window. Let's assume that the issues with the camera drivers. So right click on the camera driver and select properties. And then we don't have the power management tab here, but let's try something else. Let's say the network adapter driver. So right click on it and select properties, go to power management and uncheck this box associated with allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK and this should solve the problem. But if it does not solve the problem, then let's say it is with the camera driver. So right click on it and select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. As you can see, the device is gone from the list. There is no camera driver now. Click on action, scan for hardware changes, and this will fix the issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.